Yes, free, unlimited, and not heavily censored. So here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. You already know about Wan 2.5, right? Yes, the revolutionary open source video generator launched by China that has taken the internet by storm with its quality and the fact that it's uncensored. But here's one thing you might not know. They also have a state-of-the-art AI image generator that is extremely powerful. You can generate and edit images, it's extremely powerful, and it's free with unlimited generations. The images you're looking at right now were generated using Wan 2.5, and as you can see, the results are outstanding. And not only can you generate images, you can also edit your photos like a pro. As you can see here, the results are absolutely incredible. And in today's video, I will show you step by step how you can use Wan Image to create high quality images and also edit your images with ease. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, we won't be using any third-party tool for this. We will be using Wan's official website to generate the images. Yes, they also have a website where you can generate an unlimited number of images and even videos for free without any limits, as you can see from here. Yes, you can also generate unlimited videos using the Wan 2.5 and 2.2 animate models, but if you're on a free plan, the generation time takes forever. In some cases, one video takes about 6 to 8 hours to generate, so we won't be using it to generate videos. But for images, this method is perfect, and it doesn't take much time at all to get started. Simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll see an interface like this. They also give you 10 free daily check-in credits so that you can accelerate the generation process if you want, which is pretty awesome. Now, let's generate some images and see how good this really is. So, click on the image option and it will take you to this interface. This is the prompt section where you need to write your prompt. I'll paste mine here. Now, if you struggle with writing image prompts, you can also use the prompt enhancer option. It will automatically refine your prompt for better results. Next, from here, you can select the image model. I'll go with Wan 2.5 since it's the latest and most advanced one. After that, adjust the aspect ratio from here. Next, you need to click on this option and turn the generate with credit option off so that it doesn't consume any credits, and after that, simply click the generate button. If you're on the free plan, it may take a little longer to generate, but hey, it's completely free, so no complaints at all. And here are the outputs. As you can see, it generated 4 different images. And honestly, I like this one the best. Just look at it, folks. It's absolutely outstanding. The lighting is so creative with those vibrant neon colors and deep shadows. It literally looks like a high-end movie still. If you want this level of quality with no limits and no cost, Wan 2.5 is absolutely crushing it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Alright, let's try one more. This time, something cinematic. I'll paste in this prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, just look at this. I asked for an epic cinematic war shot, and it absolutely nailed it. I can't believe this is free and unlimited. The detail is insane. The mud, the intense expressions, the fire. It's like a screenshot from a movie. Imagine the kind of cinematic masterpieces you'll be able to create with this. Now let's go for an animation style. I'll paste in this prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, guys, doesn't this look like a Disney movie scene? The puppy's expression, the soft fur detail, the lighting, it's all perfectly cinematic. Wan 2.5 delivers professional art quality with no cost and unlimited generations. That is a huge deal. Finally, let's try an anime style image. I'll paste this prompt and hit generate. And here's the result. Amazing, right? It looks so clean and soothing, exactly like top tier anime art. Honestly, this is on the same level as other paid AI image generators in terms of quality. China is really moving fast with AI, not gonna lie. Now, apart from generating images, you can also edit images just like with Nano Banana or Seedream. Let me show you how. First, click on the image edit option, then upload your image. I'll choose this one. Alright, let's do some editing. I'll change your hair color. So I'll write that in the prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, just look at this. It changed the hair color perfectly. And if you compare it with the original image, you'll see that the face and environment stay perfectly consistent. That's next level stuff. Now, let's push it further. I'll add sunglasses. So I'll write that in the prompt and hit generate. And here it is. As you can see, she's now wearing sunglasses while everything else stays consistent. With this awesome image generator, not only can you create stunning AI images, but you can also edit them seamlessly just by giving simple commands. And the best part? It's free with unlimited generations. Seriously, what more could you want? So, there you have it, folks. An AI image generator that gives you high-quality results, unlimited generations, and powerful editing features, all for free. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.